This is part of the coast to coast walk that we just completed, 200-mile trek, and this is Grosmont Station. So we stopped here and got a bit of breakfast because we just walked 2 hours from our camping barn overnight. So we thought, as we got our egg and sausage bap and black coffee, that that we'd wait to see the steam train come in. So hung around for another 20 minutes purely to watch this train came in before we did the rest of the hike towards Robin Hood's Bay. So this is a lovely little old station, purely steam station. They've got a great little cafe in here where you can grab some food. The town itself is rather nice. There's a few little things you can do when you're there and look at, but this, I think, is the reason to come to Grosmont, is basically to watch the train come in, to have a train ride. So yeah, if you fancy doing the coast to coast, it is a 200-mile or about 192-mile walk from St Bees to Robin Hood's Bay, and it goes through some of the most beautiful countryside in England. It goes through the Pennines, through the North Yorkshire moors, and up over the Lake District of the high passes in the Lake Districts like Helvellyn. It goes past some wonderful lakes, and you can stay in places like Borrowdale. So it is well worth a walk. You can do it in sections, or you can do a whole lot at once like I just did. It's well worth doing, and it's an amazing thing to have done, and you can see all the different parts of England and the different topography of the land as you're walking. So if you fancy watching some of that, then follow this channel and you'll be able to see much more of the walk from the coast to the coast of England. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye for now.